Facebook's owner Meta platform, so its stock market value slumped by more than 230 billion on Thursday, and in a record daily loss for a US firm. And you know what is 230 billion? 230 billion मतलब ये Reliance का total value है. It means every did a Reliance loss on a day. Meta also said that Facebook daily active users has dropped from first time in 18 years. The company share price slide down, chief executive Mark net worth fall by 31 billion, according to Bloomberg. Even after the drop, Mr. Zuckerberg estimated net worth of almost 90 billion, which means he's still one of the richest in the world. Came after Meta revealed that Facebook's DAU fell to 1.92 billion in 3 months to the end of December compared to 1.93 billion in previous quarter. It was for the first time that this is measure of activity of world biggest social network had gone into reverse. Meta also warned of slowing revenue growth in the face of competition from rival platforms including TikTok and YouTube, while advertisers are also cutting their spending. Mark said the firm's sales growth had been hurt as audience, especially young users, had left for the rivals like TikTok and YouTube. अब पता चल रहा है प्रोफेसर प्रहलाद क्यों YouTube में आते हैं पहले?